Beth Hutchins, Managing Attorney, Hutchins Law Offices. My business is involved in One Community because as a lawyer, I think it's important for me to use my education and my experience to help those in the community who are marginalized or even hindered by the law. And as an ally, I think it's important to make it very public where those allegiances lie and hopefully encourage others in the legal community to also join this cause. This award means a lot to me. When my best friends got married in California, it inspired a conversation recognizing that the law doesn't protect everybody equally, and it should. And to be recognized for my work in fighting to get that to happen, I'm flattered, I'm humbled, and I'm honored. Thank you very much. Joining One Community has been one of the best things that's ever happened to me.